tuber again. This is Dave, our boss. We're from Calvin College, and our other research partner is Kara Smith, but she's currently in New Zealand, so she's having a time of her life. We're going to be working primarily on autumn olive and looking at the soil chemistry that happens within its rhizosphere, specifically looking at nitrates and other ions. And there has been some literature to suggest that there are allelopathic tendencies, but we're going to try and establish that more and look into that. And we're also going to be looking at the biodiversity of certain plant species within the rhizosphere. Dave has noticed that primarily only grasses grow within its rhizosphere, so just looking into that more. And then we are going to be taking soil samples, like I said, and we're also going to be looking at the photosynthetic aspects of both the plant species and I think autumn olive too, right? And just seeing why autumn olive is, on a whole, just so successful in a bunch of the different habitats here. So
yeah, as Kyle's talked about, autumn olive is everywhere, and it seems to continue to spread in spite of trying to knock this bugger back. And so what we're trying to do is figure out what autumn olive is doing in its plant community surrounding, how it's as competitive as it is. So there's some evidence that it changes its habitat nutritionally, and that might give certain plants an edge, ultimately giving autumn olive itself an edge, competitive advantage. And there's some hint, although completely unestablished, that it may actually use allelopathic interference in addition to changing soil chemistry. So that's kind of what we're trying to figure out.
Cool. Okay. Awesome.